Okay, this volcano last erupted was 2 years ago. So this volcano is still active? Yes, that's correct. Volcanoes that have erupted 600 to 10,000 years ago are referred as still active volcanoes.
So this volcano still has a chance of erupting?
Yes, but don't you worry. The chances of it happening is lower than 0%.
Okay.
So, anyway, to add to our knowledge about volcanoes, let us ask Mr. Desna what else to ask. Do you know the difference about magma and lava?
Magma is molten rock that is underground.
And lava is rock. That's correct. Okay, we have so many different types of volcanoes.
Mr. Desma, someone's
Oh,
calling you.
wait guys, I need to go. Just stay here. I'll be back with you.
I think you're busy, that's why.
Alright, very well. By the way, guys, whenever you visit or change conferences like this, always say hi to the one person. Oh my gosh, no, look at that. Say hi to the boss extender. Save yourself. Ah! Ew! Don't touch me! Are you a creep or something? No!
Guys, I think it's a sign that something bad will happen.
Don't you want a scaredy cat like that?
No, just go ignore it. Okay, whatever.
Wow! What's that? Anyways, back to the vlog. Okay, guys, whenever you visit places like this, be careful with the people around you. Girl, you put so many drinks in it and we don't skip. Oh dear, like a rashes.
Ay, ang bogante, simulian.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
The volcano will erupt! Everybody, get out of here and save yourselves! Hurry! Hurry! She had a panic attack. Take them to the evacuation center immediately.
Paano?
Sala.
Relax. One, two. Yeah!
Multitasking.
Hello?
Good evening, everyone. You're currently in Tourist Evacuation Center. We have provided blanket and food for everyone. For those
Sila po
who
igot
have
yun?
or injuries, please
Eme.
approach Doc Alavi right away.
The recent volcanic eruption has deeply affected communities. To try our best to take overall from all aspects of the island. Rest well, everyone.
Sir! Sir! My son! What's my son?
I'm sorry.
We did all we could.
Please call number 1. I'll be outside. Call me if you need anything. What happened? Where am I?
Ganyan, ay ang patay sa kanya. Sa magkali ka na, gusto yung pagpugtaw, kita ka na son.
Lagot na!
Oh, yung boxing mo na yan.
Tumakatay mo ko sa pagpapagaw yapon.
Anyway, guys, please
video. Bye, Bubbles! Mwah! Mwah!